Hey guys, how's it going? So I thought to record today's video since I cleared my AWS Certified Solution Architect Professional Certification exam, and I was pretty thrilled to share my learnings and takeaways, do's and don'ts while I was preparing for it. So let's get started. Firstly, you know the drill that go to the official documentation, that is the AWS certification documentation. Find this page, which is explicitly for the Solution Architect Professional Certification. Check out the exam guide. It will clearly tell you what are the building blocks. There are a lot of moving pieces, and trust me that just preparing, if it's your first certification in the cloud journey, it's going to be pretty hard. I mean, I found it, it's my fourth certification, and I seriously found it pretty difficult while I was preparing. So my suggestion would be that go for some associate level exam and then hit this certification. So these are the building blocks. It will talk about more blocks within the main topics, what it covers. Go through this, you will find like a lot of details. So this is going to be the first documentation that you'll refer to. Regarding the courses, I took a couple of courses. First one was from Stephen Merrick. This was pretty updated course. He has created a lot of other courses as well in security associate level. So I have been taking other courses as well from this trainer. Bad part is that this course does not heavily leans on the practical demo, so I missed that piece. But then it is pretty updated. He talks about a lot of new tools, which is a good thing, and I would suggest go through this course. The other course that I took was from Linux Academy. It was from Scott Pitcher. He is a blend of demo plus the theoretical knowledge, but the sad part is that he doesn't cover the new tools that the exam will be testing you on. I really found a couple of tools that were new. The number of questions were 75 that I saw, and they were really big in length and complexity level as well. So just before, a day before the exam, take the readiness course. That is also pretty nice. I mean, the best thing about this course is that the trainer is going to tell you how to dissect a question, a long question. I think his name is Blaine Sundred, and he is also pretty nice. He would show you how to just, go through like the question. Let me just see if I have the link handy. I think I should, yeah. Exam readiness, not in this. Oh, yes. This is the link that I have. So when I took this course, it was just, a day before my exam. I took this course yesterday. It's ideal if you take it a day or two before your exam, because those tricks and tips will be very fresh in your mind, and you'll know it summarizes your entire learning. So I really liked it. It was quick, and it shows how the questions are going to be. So imagine 75 such questions, and this trainer is going to tell you how to solve. Let me just show you how he quickly tries to dissect the question, how to catch those important keywords. So that was the best part about this readiness course. It's from the official documentation as well. It's free of cost. Go for it. So I really liked it. Regarding the practice papers, I leaned on John Bonzo's paper. He's the best, in my opinion. The cheat sheets, the explanation to the question, everything is amazing when it comes to like the question papers and the explanation. Another thing that just check out the cheat sheets, especially the comparison. Like on the day of exam, when you're waiting for the exam to start and you have an hour or two in hand, just go through the comparison and various service, and maybe you could check out like quick comparison like cognitive. user pool versus identity pool. So he covers it pretty nicely. I know a lot of people hate to go through these cheat sheets. They may or may not be accurate, but in my opinion, it worked for me. So this could be, concealing thing, but the thing that you should always lean on is your practical knowledge. That's cannot be compromised on. But even in practical knowledge, I don't think you can cover every single service. So I think it's a good idea to learn from somebody else's learning as well. So John has been awesome in covering a lot of other things as well. This person, I mean, this portal has Tutorial Dojo has also helped me clear the other AWS certification as well. So these were the learnings regarding the time management. I didn't have the time to revise all the questions. So time management should be key because there are 75 questions and a tight window of 3 hours. You can ask for additional 30 minutes if you're a non-native speaker. I chose that. Even then I couldn't revise my question. I had at the end of last 15 minutes, I had at least 7-8 questions which were under flag. And I found it, the question length was pretty long, and the complexity was also it was quite complex, honestly. So this was, the sum up. I will be starting a quick series on how to dissect the question and how to simplify those questions. So stay tuned on this channel for more information on dissecting the question. So I think that is pretty much it. I wish you good luck for your preparation for AWS Certified Solution Architect Professional Examination. Good luck. Thank you.